Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account and connectivity. Sign into the same Google or Apple account on both ends so services can authenticate. Next, enable location and network access. Without GPS or internet, the service cannot report status. Once done, confirm the device has power and recent OS updates because background location permissions change with updates. Now open the Find My Device app or web portal and proceed to locate the device. That's the first active step toward recovery. Now dive into settings to resolve the No Active Device error. Go to App Permissions and grant location, background refresh, and device administrator access so the Finder service can run. Also enable Send Last Location and any network-based finding features to increase chances when GPS is off. Then use the web portal to force a location request, play a sound, or remotely lock the device. These actions prompt the device to re-register with the service and usually reactivate visibility within minutes. Finish by auditing the account's device list and removing old or duplicate entries that confuse the system. A clean device list helps the service mark the correct device as active. Then restart the phone and the local router, and sign out and back into the account if the device remains invisible. This forces re-authentication. If it still fails, contact the carrier or manufacturer because some locks or enterprise profiles can block location reporting. That is the single best troubleshooting step when everything else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.